Rolling.
Okay. Hi, Barton. I want to show you how to chop an onion. This is a medium-sized onion. We're going to cut it in half vertically. So here's my board. Before I do that, I want to cut off the root end like that. And then I want to cut off the tail end like that. Then I just put a little slice like that and I peel it. Get all that stuff off. And then we're ready to chop. There. It's all nice and clean now. All right, so we want to cut the onion in half vertically like that. So you see the rings are going like this. And then if you don't need a whole onion, you can put this one in a plastic bag and it'll save. So what I do now is I cut across in slices. And I make my I like small pieces of onion in my food. So I try to make the pieces not about a quarter of an inch, between a quarter and a half. So now I have that sliced, and I'm going to hold the onion from each side, pressing the slices together. And then I start chopping. I cut at an angle in on the first one because it's just round. So then I just start slicing it this way until I get about halfway through. Then my fingers have to move back and still hold it, chop, chop, and then sometimes I tip it over like that because then I can hold this part a lot easier. Chop, chop, and the last slice, chop. That's done. And if you have any pieces slide off like this, you know, I don't like that piece, so I throw it away, but like this, then you can just easily chop those pieces up. But look, it's just nice and chopped. So that's my onion. I'm going to show you how to do a red pepper also. So I'm going to slide this back. I'm going to get my other chopping board, and here is a nice red pepper. This is an easy way to do this. There's a lot, I mean, no, there's no wrong way to chop really. It's just some ways are more efficient. So what I do, I slice off the first side like that. See, and that makes a nice piece. That's going to be easy to chop. Turn it on its side and do that one, and turn it again, and do that, and turn it again, and do that. And then this bottom piece, well, you can cut off the white parts, and then you can chop that up. So this way, you still get a few seeds, but most of your seeds are stuck to the pod, so you don't have to worry about that too much. So, all right. Let's take this nice big piece that we did first. I like to do it on this side. Sometimes if your knife isn't sharp, it's hard to go through the skin, but mine's not particularly sharp. But so then you just slice it like this. I slice and turn my knife to the side, and that moves it away from the places I'm chopping. So I take all of the little pieces like that and chop, 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 and chop, and maybe one more. So that's pretty much it. This, you know, that's pretty obvious. You can just cut it in fourths. You can make it smaller if you want to. So I think you've got the idea, and I hope this helps you. Happy cooking. Bye.